Today we're working on a car that is older than me. This is a 33-year-old 911 964, fully restored, and we're doing PPF. Keep watching to see how we're going to do it. Hi, my name is Abby. I'm the brand director here at Approved Automotive, and today we are in Approved Detailing where we are working on this 33-year-old 911 964 that has been fully restored. More about that later, because more importantly, we are so busy in Approved Detailing at the moment that the guys don't have time to stop and start all the time with filming, so we're just catching on straight away, going straight into the door of this 964. Now, with a car like this, with its age, you guys know we're using XPEL Ultimate Plus in this circumstance. This is the gloss PPF going on the car. But on cars like this that are old, or sometimes cars that are brand new to the market and haven't really been received into any detailing shops yet, the templates just don't exist. Only sometimes partial parts do, like front end kits, things like that. So the doors here are actually pre-cut. However, we will be manually sorting around door handle as per the owner, and then some of the other parts of the car, like here, I think this is going to be manual, right, Ramon? This one here? Yeah. So actually the majority of the car is manual in this instance, but some might say, why would you PPF a car of this age? Well, as we said, this car is fully restored, so it is absolutely perfect right now. And the question you should be asking yourself is, why would you not want to preserve that? This film is a film with lifetime warranty from Approved Detailing. It's also self-healing, so that means any like scratches, swirl marks to the car will actually self-heal themselves, meaning you'll always see the full depth of the paint. And this actual beautiful paint will be fully preserved. You don't need to worry about it. And the paint is nice and strong as well, since it is a fresh paint job. But come around to this side. We don't get to talk about interiors too often, but we can work on full interiors here at Approved Detailing. This interior was not done by us. It was done by another company that we will talk about later on. And you can see how beautiful it looks. And another cool thing, maybe you didn't notice because I didn't mention it yet, car's right-hand drive. And of course it's manual, which is very cool as well. But look at that. This is the plates for the UK, and the owner has bring several of his cars here from the UK for full PPF with us here, which is really nice. And yeah, it's just an absolutely stunning car. I'm going to welcome you to our design room where you can see our plotting software and you can see our XPEL there, and we've got all of our storage of our XPEL film in there as well because we're XPEL exclusive. The only time we don't use XPEL is when we are doing like coloured PPF, or sometimes we do some vinyl as well. We're using different brands, but the clear PPF, gloss or satin, XPEL only, and you should go for nothing less, tell me. And also make sure that you are using actual XPEL. Make sure somebody can tell you the roll that's being used. Make sure someone can provide you with a proper warranty, because that is the bane of our lives. There's a lot of counterfeit on the market, unfortunately. But this is the software that you can see here, the XPEL software we're using. And right now this is plot mode. But if I click on layout mode, you can see some other pre-cut parts that are available for the car as well. So you can actually see that this is 95 to 98. The car is actually 91, and what we can do is modify the template sometimes, because on 1991, for example, there's even less parts there. So what we can do, and why we're different at Approved Detailing, is even though there is pre-cut parts here, we can actually extend them sometimes. For example, the fender, it isn't tucked all the way in, or like see the edge of the front fender there where the door would open. Sometimes it does always goes straight to the edge and not inside, so we'll put it inside, and we can extend this all on our software. So you don't just need a good film, you need a good designer, and our guys are absolutely fantastic. Also, as I said, sometimes there is no plotting plotting patterns at all, and sometimes we have to literally create from scratch, so we can still effectively make pre-cut even without the software. Obviously it's difficult, it takes a lot more time, it's better to have the template to go off of, but if we can do it, then we will do it. And pretty much our guys are excellent at everything. We PPF everything like watches, etc. as well. But back onto the 911. So this 33-year-old Porsche is now finished, shiny, ready for the roads here in the UAE, fully restored, looking fantastic. And let us know what you guys think and what your opinion is on doing PPF on cars like this. Thanks very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!